Welcome back to Know Android, where you get to know all about Android. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss out on the incredible videos we have for you. Today's video is about how to edit sent messages on WhatsApp. See you on the other side. WhatsApp tops the list of commonly used instant messaging apps across the globe. WhatsApp users often send and receive text messages and other media files from friends and family. Of the many messages sent on WhatsApp, either on private or group chats, typos are inevitable. For the longest time, when WhatsApp users send a message with a typo or with inaccurate information, they only had the option of deleting the sent message and resending it after making corrections. Well, not anymore. Just recently, WhatsApp introduced a message editing feature that allows its users to edit already sent messages. Using the feature, users can edit messages in both private and group chats. However, you can only edit your sent messages within 15 minutes of when they were originally sent. The edited messages will also have a label written "edited" to indicate to the recipient that the message has been edited. The next time you send a private or group WhatsApp message and wish to edit it, launch the WhatsApp app on your Android device. While on the Chats tab, navigate to the chat that you would like to edit and tap on it. While on the specific chat, tap and hold on the message that you wish to edit to select it. Tap the three dots that appear at the top right side of the page. On the menu that appears, tap on Edit. Proceed to edit your message. When done, tap the check button next to the message to confirm the edit. The edited message will be sent and will appear with an edited label in the exact position where the original message was in the chat.